Okay guys, today I'm having, this is actually the same day of another video. It's like lunchtime or dinner time. And this is marinated mussels. The carbs are 5 carbs. It's a lot of sodium, 650 milligrams of sodium. I gotta check my Fitness Pal to see how much sodium I should have a day. There's no fiber and no sugar. So, I don't know if you've ever bought this before, but it looks like this. I think I made these before on camera, and you just take them out and put them in a pan and heat them up, and that's that. So I'll let you see them in a little bit. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but that's really how it looks. And I'm about to put that on the stove. So that's what I made, little mussels, and I had some leftover shrimp. I did eat one of those chaffles with some bacon, with a slice of bacon. So yeah, that's one left. As you can see, it's one left with one slice of bacon. And I'm going to, yeah, so this is my next meal. All right, this is a really short video, but remember, every morning is a new beginning. Hallelujah. Keto journey, keto queen, keto life. Bye, y'all.